and pick the smaller beads. Hey Dom, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey everyone, hope you have a fabulous Monday. So I'm going to do about 50% of the nails and blend it down. Somehow I get a little fur trouble here. Really interesting. Did you see that? Somehow it's getting...
Yes, pick it up.
Yeah. Definitely. It's really interesting. I don't know how it's getting there, but it was there. So I'm gonna make sure it's blend, blend, blend. Okay, and then we are going to pick number 19, which is a light nude. Smaller beads, and I'm gonna place it right above the number 25 and flat the bristle and blend it. The purpose of I'm getting the first beads, you can do it one beads as well. You can do 2 beads. So then if I doing it 2 beads, so then I can definitely perfect and control my ombre first. And then I'm gonna go in the second beads, about same thing as smaller beads, and I am going to place it right close to the cuticles. It's about a hair away from the cuticles. There are thousands of different ways to do this ombre. This is one of the way that I would love to share, and I hope it's give you some inspiration. And right there. And then now we are going to cap it completely. So important to cap is just right between the pink, which is a light nude, and your pure white with our crystal clear. So for a lot of beginners, if you feel like you want to be sure, so you don't want to able to over filing about the cuticle area, you can definitely cap it close to the cuticle area, and then you can guide it down. You see that I didn't pat on the top of the nail, because then that's gonna flatten and the just not going to let your powder flow. So I'm usually guide my powder to the center. And here's we get really simple. It's like really blending a pink and white. All right, so let this beauty set for seconds.